I invite you to get comfortable right where you are in your space, in your seat. We're entering the contemplative part of our practice today. There's no right or wrong way to become quiet, to enter the silence, to engage in meditation. Yet you may find it helpful to just take a few deep breaths, draw the crown of the head high, make your spine long, lower the shoulders, and exhale. Begin to notice the stillness in the air, the very cells of your body, the space where the air touches your body and you can lean in. As we relax, we drop our attention from the head to the heart. We allow ourselves to breathe as if we are breathing through the heart itself, creating coherence, grounding and centering body, mind, spirit. right where we are, God is. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. Gently bowing to seal the practice in reverence. Namaste.